Hello everybody, it's the Mobile Home Mama, also known as Christina. Sometimes I say it the other way around, but I'm both of those chicks. Okay, 4-bed, 2-bath, 2 living rooms. We call this the Cartersburg. Yes, this is the second time I put it on my page in the last 2 weeks because it's going on sale. I keep whispering to you guys too. I'm gonna keep this one short and sweet. I just want you to see the last video I did. I had not decorated or started with any of the furnishings, so we've got that finished. And I just want you to see how beautiful this home is. It's gonna be in the 80s in May. So coming into the formal living room, which is also wide open to the kitchen space. Island is included, 2x6 wall is included. We're gonna see a walk-in shower in the master bath. Two living rooms, there's the second living room, but before we get to that, we've got a nice dining space, optional patio door, optional buffet over here. Headed right into this second living space, could also be a game room for all you gamers out there. Bedroom 2, 3, 4. Got a nice little foyer area right before you walk into either way, you know, you're gonna go left to go into this bedroom. Why am I so, there we go, that's better. Bathroom in the middle for the kiddos. Hello. Bedroom number 3. 3 of the 4 bedrooms have huge walk-in closets. Now this home is available in a VOG panel only, but the price is right. This is bedroom number 4. Again, with another huge walk-in closet. Just take a nice stroll through here. Slow it down. Really changes everything when you add the furnishings, huh? I'm the general manager here at Champion Home Center in Topeka, Indiana, the largest and the original Champion factory. And people come here from all over the country to talk about the design of their home, financing, installation, everything associated with putting in a new home. Nice big laundry area with another back door. So inevitably you can have 3 exterior doors. That's what I have in this house: front door, patio door, and the back door. The building code only requires 2, but a lot of people want to have that extra light coming in through the patio door. This ended up kind of weird. Like, I don't know why I got that. TV was gonna go there. Most households are gonna have 2 TVs. One here and one down there. Here we go into the master bed. Big and spacious on this primary bedroom. With an ensuite, walk-in shower, dual sinks. Yay! I never did a drive-by or a walk-by there. And closet coming right off of your master bath. This door right here is optional. So if you wanted to add the door, that's no problem. And it's nice, you've got a standard window in the bathroom closet. So lots of light coming in everywhere. This baby, you can't beat the price, okay? If nothing, come and take a look. I'll put you in a nice hotel. We can talk about all of the floor plans. We have tons of them. And you can see some really cool things while you're here. This is called the Cartersburg, 4-bedroom, 2-bath, 2 living rooms. As always, thanks for watching.